I want to make my own charcoal. You need a barrel with a lid, some pipe, a larger, maybe 10 to 15 centimeters in diameter, and a smaller one, maybe 5 to 10 centimeters. You need about 2 to 3 meters of the longer one and maybe 1 meter of the smaller one. And a bonus if you have some insulation. You place the wood in the barrel, close the lid, make it airtight, kind of. And then when you fire into the pipe, you're going to start to heat the barrel. That will first drive out any moisture left in the wood. Then it's going to reach a temperature point when the wood starts to decompose with no air supply. The wood is going to turn into charcoal. You're going to get some gases coming out of it. And these gases is actually something you can burn. So the smaller pipe is going to suck the gases out. And these combustible gases are some methane, hydrogen, oxygen, and carbon monoxide. You also get some carbon dioxide and nitrogen, but they aren't combustible, but they're going to be there just the same. I didn't manage to get a perfect seal when welding the inner pipe. I'm going to seal it with some clay I prepared earlier. I have packed this as tight as I could do it with this disparate bunch of wood. So, we have two more places where there's not a tight seal at all. That's the lid and opening for the stove. And I'm gonna do the same as I did for tightening the inner tube, the inner pipe. I'm gonna try and seal it with clay and see what happens. You can see smoke coming out of it. Yeah. It's been burning for about 1.5 hours. I'm closing in on the time where I think I should be able to start burning the wood gases. I think I'm burning the wood gases now. The fire seems to be further out. It looks to be kind of coming burnable gases from above, from the pipe. So if I'm correct, I shouldn't need to put in more wood now, and it will just burn until it's done. After 2 hours it went quiet, so maybe I haven't got the burning of the wood gases on spot yet, so I added some more fuel. It's about 2 hours since the wood gases stopped burning. I have fired it since with wood. I'm gonna let it burn out and then call it a day. And tomorrow I can see if it worked or not. So about 4 hours into the burn. Remember, you can't open it the same day because the charcoal might spontaneously combust if it's still hot and you add oxygen. The lack of oxygen is the only thing from keeping the charcoal in the barrel to not burn. You want it to cool down before you open it. I only got a portion of what felt like good charcoal. That's why I'm gonna do reburn. Probably what happened is that the barrel got too cold. So the pyrolysis effect stopped when the barrel got too cold and I didn't manage to fire it up enough. Try number 2. About 90 minutes in, feels like we're still burning off moisture. We got the wood gases burning. I'm at the 4-hour mark. I'm gonna let it sit until it's cool and open it and see if I manage to do it better this time.